when we were going down the chat, we were saying, okay, every member of Ravanis has something they bring to the table.
Yeah, yeah. And
Yeah,
what does
and
each
I was
member
just
of
like, okay.
Ravanis bring to the table?
Altus brings the comfy vibes.
Okay.
He's like the protector. He's got a big sword. You know?
Okay, go on.
He's like the dad. And then Nayu is like the mom. He's like always shouting at us to like get ready for school. Like we're always late, and like he just keeps us in line, you know. Malim's like the one that always gets in trouble. And you know, he's like cheeky. He's like cheeky and fun, and then when we got to and then we got to you, and then we got
why are you laughing? See, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
I thought this was meant to be defending myself, but it makes me sound worse. And then I got to you.
See what I have to deal with, chat?
And then and then I got to you, and I just paused. Well, I mean, you look sexy.
Yeah, that didn't help your case at all.
Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, thanks for the cake, by the way.
Oh my god, I'm tearing up. I legit thought he was gonna come in with a proper argument. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna piss myself. Wait, I need to breathe. Wait. Pregnant woman breathing. Pregnant woman breathing. Okay. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, you. Oh, okay. Wait, you know what? I might as well continue working. Okay. I got this. Okay. All right. Why can't I stop? All right. Wait, what did Alta say? It's perfect Gen 3. Oh, that just made it worse. Oh my god. They're gonna come out in eggs. It's like dinosaurs lay eggs. Okay, we got this. Wait, we need to make your cupcakes, guys. We need to make your cupcakes. We need to make your cupcakes. Wait. Okay. All right. I'm back to Earth. At least I think I am. All right.